Is it blinking?
Nah, it's not blinking. It's recording now. Yo, it's what up, what up, what up? It's your boy Donnie, Barney 5. Nah, boy, not Barney 5. This is Adonis. What?
Nah, I'll leave it in. Oh yeah, don't say nothing stupid.
You heard? You know she's still recording, right?
Nah? No way.
Yeah.
Hey. Bro, let's go. You ready? Alright. So we got Big Don. This guy. We got
Big Don?
Yeah, Big Don.
That's Big Don. Oh, yeah.
That's Big Don. We got Manny over here. We got another Big Don. I don't know this guy. We got Carlos, my brother. This is Cisco, the thug. Then you got me. I still leave my shit on like an idiot. Let me take my key out. Bam, right? And then let's walk around. Let's do a nice little walk around. Let's go this way. Senor, I'm gonna go this way. While I do that, we are at a Cycle Gear. This is a little meet they have going on over here.
I want to go look at my dream bike.
You ready? All right, let's go.
My next purchase.
Don't walk too fast so I can get like a whole bunch of bike on the video. Holy shit, big boy, what? That's hard. Are you crazy? The ZX10s over here. I like that. I like how that naked looks, big boy.
That's you? You gotta introduce Tyler's too, bro.
Yeah, bro, of course. Oh, you already know. Yeah, you're on the YouTube.
What?
You're on the YouTube. Yes, sir.
Back my neck.
Yo, which one's this one?
That's the windscreen.
Oh, that's the 09. Okay.
Yeah, that's the windscreen.
That's the windscreen right here. This is yours right here?
No.
No? This shit's sick.
Oh, that's you? Yeah. I got like 2,000 today.
Yeah, this bike is sick, bro. Got a little drop right there. Damn. That shit is hard.
You ready? You get it. The wheel.
With tire or no tire?
No tire. No tire.
No, it's my deal tire only.
No.
Hey, you beat him in a race, you keep it.
Now what the fuck is big investment, right? He puts it in reverse.
That's just hard, bro. Look at this shit. Senor, you know he's a thug.
That's a 600.
Bro, and he has the Adonis setup.
Is it?
Yeah, look, fully charging now. It's recording right now. Yeah, I know. That's what I just told him. That's hard.
Unlimited.
People, I love yellow colors on bikes, bro. That shit pops out, bro. Oh, that's a lot of MT-09s, people. That's another MT-09.
That's our 6 I wanted, yeah. Before I got this one.
What, bro? MT-10, bro. The Ducati, right? This guy's smoking people, bro. You crazy? I love that, bro. V4R, bro. Look at that. Even the wheels, bro. You see the rims, bro? That's hard. Yeah. Who's going backpack? Yo, they're a Prilla. Cisco. Yo. Bro, they got some fast bikes over here. You want the black one? You want the black one or you want the original Beamer colors?
Nah, no mirrors at the end.
No mirrors? Yeah. Damn, they have a lot of nice bikes over here, bro. It's making me jealous, bro. I'm about to get me a little naked like this one. Just to ride around, bro. There's another Ducati over there. That guy has a Red Bull helmet. He's a speedster. Jexter 787. That's a Busa.
Taking pictures.
Taking Busas. We got the Harley boys. Double R again. These shits are sick, bro. Yo, we're gonna have to get you a double R.
You think I'm playing? That's my next purchase.
We're gonna have to get you a double R. Bro, another double R, bro.
That's what, you know, that's my favorite.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's the most common one. What the fuck?
Generation one right
This one?
Yeah.
What year is that?
I believe it's. I think they switched the body style. What? 18, right?
Nah, he's beastie, big boy. He's matching the helmet and everything.
Yeah.
That's hard.
Yeah, he's symmetrical. I think that.
That's hard, big boy.
That's what I thought he wants to do. Stretch the shit out of it.
But do what?
That's what I thought he wants to do. Stretch it and lower it.
Oh, okay. We got the Harley. Damn, that thing is stretched, bro. Holy shit. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing?
Same moment. How about you?
Chilling, good, good. You seen Carlos? He's here too.
I seen him. I'm like, yo, where's Alex? He's like,
What's your bike at? Let me show it on the video.
right there, all the way at the end, the black bike.
Okay, all right. Yeah, all right. I see it over there. I'm gonna go show his bike on the video.
Another R7.
Oh, that's the black one, but that black one looks nice.
That one on the highway in Providence one time.
Yeah. But that bike looks nice. Hey, that got yo. That bike is kind of loud. So he has the black one over here. Oh, this is hard.
That's what I gotta get for Sarah, big boy.
Big boy, this is like their group, like the actual like group with the with a jacket and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't get too close to those bikes. Yo, that thing is huge, bro.
Bro, that's a couch.
What? Bro, that thing is huge, bro. What? Bro, you could go across country with that thing.
You said that one's it?
No, this one over here. I believe it's this one or this one. Either one of these two. It's a black one, he says, so it has to be one of those two. That shit's hard. I think it's this one.
Nah, we're not gonna lie.
It should be this one. This is hard. This is fucking huge.
That's what Sarah wants me to get.
One of these big bikes?
Like one of those.
Hell no.
She doesn't like going on the sport one.
That shit's crazy, huh?
She doesn't like going on the sport one.
She hasn't even gotten on one of those. How's she gonna know what she? Ooh, what? Bro, that's like a 2000 year bike.
Yeah.
What the hell? This shit's sick. I'm about to give me some old shit, big boy.
I like that look of it, especially.
A Ninja K? What the hell is Kawasaki Ninja? What the fuck? This is hard, big boy. You know that's how the first motorcycle looked? Right here, like this?
The very first one.
Yeah. It was square. It was like that,
Put
square.
a picture on the screen.
Look it up. Look it up. Watch. I swear to God. Hey, he's racing.
That's what I want Sarah to get.
That's right.
I told Sarah, like, yo, we'll get us props so you get used to the clutch and stuff. She still didn't want to do that.
Are you gonna get glizzies?
You want a glizzy?
Nah, I don't know. I don't want no glizzy. I want to keep walking. Look up. It's like you're gonna have to start a 10-hour, bro. That Honda looks sick too, bro. There's so many bikes. I'm just showing the video. If I'm talking too much, don't mind me. Mute it. Mute it. Pause the video.
I think I seen that guy in the highway.
Look around. This guy? That shit's sick. Bro, that thing is sick, bro. You ever buy one of those, bro? Yeah. That thing is hard. Yeah. You know what I'll do? I'll put wings so I can take off. Spider. That's just hard too. That's just beautiful. Okay. But yeah, YouTube, if I'm talking too much, man, just I would just mute it. And then if you see a bike you like, you just pause the video. You pause the video like, oh, I like this bike right here. You pause the video, you take a look at it, take a little screenshot. They go, man, I'm gonna get a Harley, bro. That Harley is hard. That is sick. I'll try to blur some plates, but you guys won't know like who these are, so it doesn't even matter if I leave their plates on there. But this shit's sick. I need to get some Harleys. We're gonna have to be Harley boys. We're gonna have to be a Harley boy. For sure, bro. This thing is even sick. A little Beamer Cruiser.
After my, I love these shits, bro. I told Sarah I want something like that. Fire. Like that baby man. Like if I live downtown, I'm buying something like that.
This?
Yeah, I love that.
I like those too. I like those a lot. Those are nice. I like the camo too, but boy. Another. Yeah, that double R is the most fun, right? Oh my god, he's gonna end up getting a double R now. That Jixter's sick. Oh, he dropped it. Yeah, we got a bunch of bikes. But yeah, ooh, that's the R1 right there. It's an older version though. I like it.
Or should I get R1?
Newer or older? Cause that's older.
Yeah, well this one is newer than that one.
Yeah, with this one right here.
Yeah.
Let me show this one. I didn't even see this one. Oh yeah. Ooh, he has a dirty wrap on that. Ooh. You see that wrap? That's hard. I don't know if I'm gonna do shit like that to my bike though. Cause I have blue and black.
The problem is, yeah, I was gonna say, the problem is you gotta do it right though, is the thing.
Yeah, I have blue and black. I don't even think I could do that. But this is sick. We're gonna have to get something naked. Let's go this way. The MT10s?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Bro got a Texas plate? You're not from Texas, bro.
That's funny.
Let's be real, you're not from Texas. No way you drove that show.
But we're gonna be here for a little while. There's a lot of bikes here. This is... It's not that bad. Whoa! What the hell? Yo, look, she has two of them. Yo, that's hard. That's hard, bro. What the hell, bro? Oh, and this guy got the speakers on there too, bro. You heard? This guy got the speakers on there. So he be yamming, bro. Bro, he has two of them. Bam. Two speakers, bro.
That's just shiny as fuck.
That's hard.
That's just hard. Wait, it doesn't scratch it.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
I told you.
What? Yo, that is fresh. What the hell?
What? How is he gonna scratch it?
This one doesn't have it. Yo, that's actually kind of fresh. I didn't notice that. What the hell? That's hard. Well, yeah, that's the full walk around. And then you got mine next to whoever Harley's this is. But yeah, that's the cool little meet we're at. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, talk, chop it up. The guys are over there. I'll chop it up with them.